If you have voice recordings, then what you can also do is you can easily add in voice effects to your audio file. So for example, if I were to go around and press the play button, there's a test recording. You can hear out a voice, but let's say for example, if I were to choose megaphone right here in the voice effect under the audio basic section. If I were to go around and press the play button now, a test recording audio for YouTube tutorial series. You can hear out that the audio changes out. So similarly, you can select, let's say for example, other options right here like lo-fi, test recording audio for, and so forth. So you can go around and select out, let's say for example, chipmunk right here, just like this,
for YouTube tutorial series,
and maybe echo, test recording audio for YouTube tutorial series. And that is how it works, as you can hear. And that is simply how you can add in voice effects onto your audio. And this also works around with music as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and bring in like 8-year anniversary right here, just like this. And then if I were to add in effect to this. So if I were to play this, it is regular music. But if I were to go around and add in echo over here, it works in that way as well, as you can see. So it does not have to be voice itself. And that is how you can utilize voice effects for audio inside of CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.